Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Whitney if you're new here. In today's video, we will be doing a meal prep video. I know, finally. A lot of you guys have been requesting me to do a lot of these videos, but I just haven't had the time, but I have the time today. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys what I got from the grocery store. I will be doing my lunch options, and I may do a breakfast option. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So if you want to know how I did all this, then you know, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so just a quick run through of the things I got. I have spinach, I have egg whites, I have cucumbers, I have ground turkey, I have, this is like my favorite bag of peppers. They're called sweet point peppers. I get them from Walmart. It comes with like the small peppers. I have some salmon that I got from Walmart. It's skinless. Boom, boom, boom. I love jalapeno peppers. I have chopped romaine mix and a bag of broccoli. So that's pretty much my entire meal prep. So I wanted to go on record that I'm washing my hands because some of you people are nasty. Okay guys, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sweet peppers, these peppers right here, as well as our jalapeno peppers, and we're going to cut them up for our ground turkey mix. I love jalapenos, so I put quite a few. So all we're gonna do is just cut the head off. Ah! So as you can see, I have a bowl here, and I'm just gonna put these in here until I'm ready to use them. And next we're gonna take our peppers and do the same exact thing. Okay guys, so after I cut up all the like the sweet peppers, I'm gonna take my 3-pepper onion blend, and you're probably thinking, Whitney, that's a lot of peppers, but I love peppers. So it's 3-pepper onion blend, and I'm just gonna pour it into the bowl. Literally, I should have got another one, but that's just gonna add some more flavor to it because this is already seasoned. And so I'm literally just gonna set this aside, and we're gonna move on to the meat. Okay guys, so we've kind of switched gears. So now I have my ground turkey, and I buy the ground turkey with the 85% lean and 15% fat. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this open. I spray my pan with extra virgin olive oil. Literally, just spray the pan, turn it on, and open my meat and put it in the pan. So let me do that. Now I'm about to wash my hands again. Okay, so now that we have this big log in the thing, I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna chop it up. It may look like my pot is, you know, not big enough, but I promise it is. If you guys watch my video asking me questions about what I eat, or how, since I'm not doing keto anymore, like what do I eat, So this is literally like my day-to-day basis of what I eat. So I usually do ground turkey and I do peppers like this. I do quite a few peppers and I let my ground turkey cook down some. I'm going to be cooking salmon as well, but as you can see, I literally just put my ground turkey in my pan with no seasoning. So usually the seasoning that I do is like red pepper flakes, which are right here. And I do ground pepper and parsley. So these are literally the 3 seasonings that I use. I know, right? It's so sad. But I've gotten so used to eating like this that it's like really not, it doesn't bother me anymore. Sometimes I'll be wanting a burger or like some fried chicken, but I kind of just, you know. So as mentioned before, I'm gonna go ahead and add some red pepper flakes. I love spicy foods, so red pepper flakes are like literally my best friend. So I'm gonna be adding a lot of this. Okay. Next I wanna add some pepper. Y'all probably gonna be like, Whitney, what the hell? And then I'm gonna add some parsley. You know, parsley is like a black person, like, you know, the black people really season salt, honestly, nowadays. So yeah. And I'm just gonna let that cook down some more before I add the peppers. So next I'm just gonna add my peppers. Can you see these peppers? And I'm just going to add them in my mixture. And it's gonna be a lot, so add them slow. I'm gonna let this sit and I'm going to cover it up. And I'm gonna let it simmer and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so while that's cooking, I'm letting it cover. I add minced garlic to it. And this is like the organic kind that I got from Walmart. It's literally like the squeezable kind. So you can literally just like squeeze it in there. So yeah, I just... Okay guys, while I let my ground turkey mixture cook a little longer, I'm gonna show you how I prepare my salmon. So the salmon that I get is from Walmart and it's the, I hope you guys can see this. This is the Fresh Atlantic Skinless Salmon in a twin pack. So I already cleaned it and all that good jazz. So what am I gonna do next? I'm going to spray it with my extra virgin olive oil on both sides. Because you know you don't want it to burn. And your guys are gonna think I'm crazy. So the 3 things, back again, going with my ground turkey, the 3 things that I use. So with my salmon, I air fry, and I have an air fryer. I got it from Target for like 50 bucks. And I still have some leftover peppers from my ground turkey mix. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and spray my peppers down and kind of toss them around in it. And then next I'm gonna take my air frying pan, and this is what it looks like. It's a bit beat up because I use it all the time, and I'm just gonna take this and then spray the inside of it. because I don't want my salmon sticking to it. So next, all I'm gonna do is place my salmon in here. And then, close this up because I don't need this anymore. And next I want to take my peppers and I'm literally just going to pour them on top. So it should look like a fiesta inside. Boom! Gotcha. Next, take it over here. And all I'm going to do is just push it in. Turn it on. Boom, 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 boom. Turn it. So I'm going to do 15 minutes. And we're all set. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how my salmon turned out. I burned my peppers a little bit, but it's okay. But this is how it turned out, as well as this is how my ground turkey mixture turned out. It looks really good to me, but that's me. And then I have my broccoli right over there. Okay guys, we've made it to the final round. So I'm about to plate everything in my wonderful meal prep containers that I got from Walmart. Okay. Starting with my wonderful ground turkey mix. So this is what it looks like. This is what it came out to be. Literally just ground turkeys, onions, and peppers. As you can see, it's still hot. I let it cool down. But we're just going to put this inside of the containers. As you can see, I added 2 containers because I still have my salmon, and this is what it came out to look like, guys. And so I'm just gonna place it in there. You'll have all those yummy, yummy peppers. So what I wanna do is place all the peppers in a cup first. And then the remaining of the broccoli that I have, I'm just gonna put it up in here. So what I did was take the sauce from my ground turkey and I mixed some cauliflower rice in here, and I'm just gonna add it to my salmon because I kind of need some, you know, just a little. I'm literally just adding a little bit to it.